Today, I'm going to show you an amazing app that allows you to accurately measure the size of your land or paddy field. Let's see how to install this app on an Android phone.
First, go to the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Field Area Measurement App. You will see the app appear in the search results. Install it on your phone. Once the installation is complete, open the app. When you open it, you may see a message asking you to purchase the premium version. We don't need that right now, so simply close it. Next, another message will appear asking for permissions. Make sure to allow the required permissions. Most importantly, you must enable the location permission. Otherwise, the app won't be able to determine your position. Now the app is installed and ready to use. You can go to any location you want to measure. However, before measuring, there are a few settings that need to be adjusted. At the top of the screen, tap the three-line menu icon and select Settings. Inside the Settings menu, you'll find three sections: Area, Distance, and Coordinate Format. For our purposes, we only need area and distance. First, tap on Area Units. You will see two options: Metric and Imperial. Since land is commonly measured in acres, select Imperial. Then choose AC, Acres, and tap Done. Now the app will display area measurements in acres. If you want to measure distances, go to Distance Units. Here, select Metric. You can choose either meters or kilometers, depending on your preference, then tap Done. Once these settings are configured, return to the home page. Now you're ready to measure land accurately. Tap the Create New button with the plus icon at the bottom. Three options will appear. Select Field. Next, choose Manual Measuring. Now navigate to the location of the land you want to measure. Tap on each corner of the property on the map. As you add points, the app will create a boundary around the selected area. You can drag and adjust the points to match the exact shape of the land. As you do this, look at the top of the screen. The app will automatically calculate and display the total area in acres. This method is very convenient because you don't have to walk around the entire property. The land is displayed directly on Google Maps, allowing you to mark the boundaries accurately. You can also save the measured area by giving it a name and description. This makes it easy to access later whenever you need it. Overall, this app is extremely useful for accurately measuring land area. Give it a try, and you'll be able to calculate the size of your property with ease. That's all for today. See you again in another valuable video. Thank you for watching.